Hey everybody, welcome back to another video with your casual keyboard guy. Um, Happy Thanksgiving. First off, everybody, hope you're enjoying your holidays. Hope you guys are staying safe and living and enjoying your lives and having a good time. And I'm enjoying just this beautiful Thanksgiving and being just being thankful for life, man. So I just want to do a video today, give you guys something to do if you don't have nothing to do. So this video is being sponsored by my subscriber Jody, and she requested Sara Smile by Hall and Oates. So we're gonna jump into this song and like always, like, share, subscribe, show your boy some love, comment. So let's jump into this bad boy. Of course, I'm gonna do a little breakdown and then I'm gonna jump right into it. Let's do it. Here we go. Then on the other part is the little string line. All right, guys, it's not a hard song. Really nice with a full band, man. Like got that bass line sitting in there. You got the guitar with the little riffs. Oh boy, such a pretty song. But anyway, it's not too hard. Let me jump into this bad boy real quick. Let me show you this joint. Break it down, casual keyboard style. Feel me, casual keyboard style. I'm not a gangster, guys. I'm not a gangster at all. All right, here we go. So you start off with the, I guess the intro with the little guitar line, something like what is it? What is it? What is it? Something like that. But anyway, the chord you're gonna be playing over that line is gonna have a D minor seven. So I got A C D F on my right, and I got double D on my left. You could do D A D if you want to, something like that. Now the beauty about this, um, well, I get into that later. All right, so it's the first chord. All right. So the second chord is going to be an A minor seven. So you got A, double A, you got G, C, and E in your right. Okay. So first chord, D A D A C D F. Second chord, A G C E. Okay. Um, where we at? Okay. So and then we got this little walk up. So you got this G minor nine. So I'm playing the A B flat D F. Okay. A, B flat, D, F with a G bass. And then you walk that G bass from G, A, B flat, and then you're gonna play this chord. So essentially you're already holding this chord because remember we was playing a G minor 9, we had this A, so basically you're just taking this A out and just playing it like this when you get to the C. So pretty much, okay. So okay. And then you do this little half step. So you got this D flat diminished 7. You got G, B flat, D flat, and E with D flat in the bass. Okay. D flat diminished 7. Got that. G, B flat, D flat, E, D flat in the bass. Okay. And then we back to the D flat. But you could play the single bass notes too. I just just do this to make it more full, but you could just play single bass notes too if you can't do the full bass like that. Because the bass is kind of rolling by itself anyway. So if you got a bass player, you'll probably just be holding down notes anyway. You won't be doing too many things. But if you're playing with a bass player, then it's good to stay off of that bottom bass. But we'll get into that talk if you ask me. I'm glad to help you guys if you have questions about how to play without using the bass line. All right, guys. So just leave me a comment if you want that type of lesson, and I'll oblige. So here we go. So we got the all right, now we in the top of the song. They do that part twice. So the top of the song, you got the same D minor chord. Now the thing is, this A C D F, you play this chord for the next three bass notes. So see, then you switch. All right. So literally, this chord right here, you play from D and the C and the B flat. Okay. So the first chord is D flat or D minor 7, and then it's gonna be like a C or F major 6 over C, but it's the same chord. You're not switching the chord in your right hand. And then the B flat, you play the B flat, and the bass is gonna be a B flat major 9. But like I said, you're switching bass notes, but you're keeping the same right hand chord. Okay. So bass, just the bass switching. So the first chord on this little change is gonna be A in the bass, A9 sus4. You got G, B, D with A, and then they're gonna resolve it to like a A9. So you got G, B, D, excuse me, D flat and E. So you're playing the same bass. So pretty much a G triad over A, and then you're gonna resolve it to this G, B, D, E flat. Okay, A9. So do it again. Same thing. Same thing. And now this next part, you go when I feel cold, you want me. And the good thing is, guess what? We kind of know these chords. So you got that B flat major 9. Remember that chord? A C D F over B flat. We played this chord before. When I feel cold. Now this is a new chord, which is C major, which is pretty easy. You got C in the bass. You got G, C, E in your right. Okay. And now from this chord, we go to the D flat diminished 7. Okay. You learned this chord, but I'm gonna give it to you again. G, D flat, G, B flat, D flat, E. Okay. D flat diminished 7. And then we go back to the D minor 7, which we learned. A, C, D, F. Okay. So it's when I feel cold, you want me. And then you repeat it. When you feel you can't go on. Now instead of going to that D flat, 7, you go, you go to E flat 7. Alright, so E flat 7, B flat, D flat, E flat, G, or the E flat bass. And then you go back, then you go down to the D minor 7. So it's pretty much two different endings. So the first time, when I feel cold, that's the first ending. Now the second ending, alright, so the first time you go from the D flat to the D. The second time you go from the E flat 7 to the D. Okay, and then you it's you, and then you just land on that G minor 9, the A B flat D F, G in the bass. It's you, and then you hit it, and me same chord, and then you got a little break. So I'm gonna play that whole part. Let me see. Now we're gonna go to the next part. First ending, second ending, cause it's you and me forever, Sarah. Now this is the same as the intro. This is the same as the intro. So, remember this? Remember this? Won't you smile for me, Sarah? Hey. And then they just go back to the top. So it repeats the same thing. And there's only really one more change in this song. So I'm gonna finish it out again. I'm gonna speed a little bit. So I want to get back to this part. Sarah, same chord as the intro. Now here we go. Sorry for this cough. I don't have corona. I got tested and I'm negative, but this cough is bothering me. But it's like a semi walk up. So the bass is doing. And it's like a little like a stringy part. So so I can't sing it and do it at the same time, but you'll know this part when you listen to the record. But anyway, I'm gonna show you the bass walk. So you got G, A, B flat, C, D, E, F, G, A, B flat, D flat, and then we back to the smile. All right, so let me give you bass one more time. So you got G, A, B flat, C, D, E, F, G, A, B flat, D flat. Then we back to the main groove for the chorus. All right. So with the chords you could do on that, you got that same G minor 9 walk up. So you got, all right, the same type of walk up. So you got the G minor over the G, walk up the A to the B flat, put your chord to the B flat over C or C not sus4, excuse me, B flat over C, and then you got this. You could do this if you want. It sounds nice. So what that is, B minor, A, D, F, with D. Then I'm playing the C over E, C, E, G with an E. And then I'm playing the F triad, F in the bass, F or C, F, A. So okay, do it a little slower. So you hold this F chord, you just walk from the F, G, A, go to the B flat over B flat. And when you hit the D flat, you go to the D flat, diminished 7. Staying calm. Killing me. So do it one more time slow. Then I'm gonna get off of this so I can start coughing. We go. One more time. If you guys enjoyed that lesson, I'm gonna sign off so I can stop coughing. And I hope you guys enjoyed your Thanksgiving. And casual keyboard guy signing off. Like, share, subscribe, comment. Love y'all. Peace.